Have you ever wondered what goes into the making of the traffic signs that you see on your daily commutes? How it goes from this to this? We at LED Lighting Solutions and Traffic Things would like to show you how we go about it. It begins with the laborious task of designing these signs from scratch so that they are up to code with government standards. The digital process consists of color correction and layout for printing. Once the design process is completed, it's off to the print shop, where the signs are printed using only the most vibrant colors and printed on the client's choice of either engineer grade, high intensity prismatic, or diamond grade sheeting. We double check to make sure the measurements are up to code and begin cutting them out so that they can be placed on the aluminum plating. Once the adhesive is applied, and only if the client requests it, we then put gloss lamination over the print to protect the image. We place them in the laminator to give these traffic signs their pristine shine and to ensure that they are perfectly flat. We then go ahead and cut off all the excess material. And there you have it, a traffic sign made fresh here at LED Lighting Solutions and Traffic Things.